Poor Susie. She's been cold. I'm raging hot because I'm a volcano of molten lust.
Lust?
Yeah.
I think you mean molten lava.
No, molten lust.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I want to say that's from some... Is that from a Rocky movie?
I don't
Molten
know.
lust? Whatever.
We'll talk about that later.
Folks, my name is Luke. This is Beautiful Susie. This is the Outdoor Gear Review, where today we have...
Viewer mail!
Woohoo!
Yay!
And we have lots of viewer mail.
Yes, we've had an explosion of viewer mail recently. Tons and tons. Okay, just bury me in viewer mail.
Look at all of that.
Yeah, you guys are awesome.
You guys are so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, everybody, thank you so much for doing all this for Susie and I. We really do appreciate it. It means so much to us. And I do want to say, of course, that nobody has to send us anything.
No.
I mean, it makes our day. It's so cool, but yeah, we never expect anything.
Can't say thank you enough for everybody that sends something in. It is really, really cool.
Right.
So, without further ado, let's get started.
You got to say it.
What's in the box? Like that?
Just like that.
Okay.
This is from my buddy Joe. Joe, what do you know, good buddy? Oh, yes. I remember talking to Joe. This is a very cool package.
It is very cool.
And it's also very important, and it touches upon something that I recently went through. Luckily, I didn't have, but it was a scare.
Right. Oh, these bracelets are already turning color, so you'll have to explain to
Right.
everyone what's going on. So basically, Joe has sent a melanoma care package. Not that long ago, Luke had a spot on his nose that we went to get checked out, and the dermatologist basically said, hey, that needs to come off. We need to do a biopsy. It doesn't look that great. So, of course, we were kind of worried. The results came back fine. He was fine. His nose is healed up. So in the future, sunscreen every day, hats, just taking a little bit better care of himself and of
Right.
myself. And when we're out in the sun, just trying to be more diligent about it. So
Joe says here, they're a strange shade of white and purple, and when the sun, they turn essentially purple when the sun hits them. And there's 4 of them for the whole family. Joe says that melanoma has not been too kind to him, and buddy, I'm very sorry. He's 5 years in, no evidence of the disease returning. That's a milestone, no doubt about it.
yeah, way to go.
His good friend passed away in his 20s from melanoma, so.
Yeah, and he was also in the no evidence
Oh,
of disease stage, and his legacy is why I'm sending bracelets to you. I'm thankful for this opportunity to do something to help you because you helped me become a better hiker and camper. So Joe, thank you so much. Yeah, melanoma is terrible. It affects so many people. I think every hour someone gets diagnosed.
right.
And
We know.
we know plenty of people. My friend, her brother just had a huge part of his leg taken off. It happens all the time. So these bracelets, when they turn purple, it's to say, hey, you need some sunscreen
Yeah,
on because the
cover up.
sun, the sun is out and it is doing damage to your skin. So
You know, interestingly enough, talking about sunblock, there's I guess some evidence coming out that when you put sunblock on your body, no big surprise that it goes right into your bloodstream. And they're thinking maybe 40% goes into your bloodstream, maybe more. And the question is, what does that do?
yeah,
And is that a helicopter? But anyway, Joe, thank you so much, buddy. As you guys can see, they're turning purple right now. That's pretty awesome. So, Joe, thank you very, very much, buddy. Sorry for the obnoxious noise, everybody. We will try this with one more package, and if it's just loud and it stays loud, we'll just wrap this up. So, this package comes from...
Whitmore, like
from
Lost. Take a look at this. Ooh.
What is this?
Okay.
I don't know what it is, but I like the looks of it.
I'll give you the surprise this time and I'll read the letter.
Okay.
All right.
Ooh, sweet.
Luke and Susie, I noticed the little hiking purse that Susie carried in the last video. Thought I would make her a Navy mom version.
Oh,
Keep
that's
up
awesome.
the great videos. They are appreciated. Sincerely, Ryan. P.S. Your gear is coming next, Luke. Oh my gosh,
What?
so this is for me.
Yay.
Wow, here,
Here, let
trade.
me put that back.
Oh,
Oh, that is
this
too cool.
is sweet. Ryan, thank you so much. I'm definitely going to be using this.
So check that out, everyone.
Yeah.
It looks good on you too.
That's looking really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's open it up here.
So what's in there?
Nice. It's like a zippered pouch in there, like
Wow.
a pocket.
Oh yeah, you have sleeves.
Yeah.
That's great.
Ooh. Wow. Oh, that is so cool. I love viewer mail.
Man, I tell you, Whitmore,
so
your
cool.
craftsmanship is amazing. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Now, folks, if you're interested in seeing some of his handiwork, check out Whitmore Handmade. You can do a search for that, and you'll find some of his offerings.
This is the same guy that made Madison her
Correct.
pack, and she uses it all the time. She even came home and had it.
Right.
So I know she really likes that, and I've always been a little bit jealous, but now I don't
Super
have to
nice.
be. Now you have to be jealous.
I'm jealous. Thank you so much, Whitmore, for being kind to Susie.
Yeah, thank you. That's
Susie
very
is
nice.
truly amazing. She's one of the nicest people in the entire world. And I'm not just saying that because, like, I have to go to bed with her at night. I mean, it's true. Like, you really are. You're just such a great person. You're a great mom.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, so thank you so much, buddy.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. This is great.
Now, this is from my good buddy, Rick.
What is it?
No, what do you think's in that? There's another box in there.
Oh, yeah,
Maybe.
I do hear that. Yeah.
I'm going to say that it's a pair of shoes. That's my guess. What do you think?
It does kind of feel like it. I guess you'll have to open it up, though.
Okay. So, Rick, what's in the box? I would scream that out, but there's like a hiking trail over here, and there's some young kids coming through. I'm not sure what their parents would think about me screaming, "What's in the box?"
Don't scare them.
Okay, so we will start with this right here. It says Luke on it. So it says here that you will find a windproof anorak with cloth wax. Time to go old school. And a freestanding alcohol stand. Thank you for the videos, Rick. Okay,
So he wants you to go old school. So there's the fabric wax.
Okay. Wax. The alcohol stand stove thing.
Nice.
Cool. Well, yeah, that thing's really neat.
Yeah, that is cool.
Yeah, that's really interesting. I have never seen anything quite like this before. It's different. And I like it a lot, actually. That's
I
really...
can tell that you do. I can see the wheels turning in your... I think I can hear them. Like,
Yes.
okay, I'm going to take this out.
Wow.
So that. What is that?
This comes from Vernasta Liquor. Where's the liquor? Yeah, this is from their Samara brand.
I see.
Windproof. Oh, this
Yeah.
is sweet.
Take that out and take that out and survive.
Right. I could do that.
Wow, that looks really good.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I like it a lot too.
Yeah.
It looks killer. We are so lucky to have such good viewers. Before moving on with any of the other packages, I want to say a special thank you to Rick for being a member of law enforcement. These guys and gals really do deserve more credit and appreciation than they get. So thank you so much, buddy, for doing what you do, trying to make the world a better place, keeping everybody safe. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Me likes. So check this thing out. What on earth is this?
So this comes from your buddy Matt.
Yeah.
And do you remember what he wanted you to do? This is the tape challenge. And
I feel the challenge coming on.
This isn't a box, so what are you going to yell? What's in the ball?
Yeah.
Tape.
What's in the ball? The wrapped up thing. Why did you do this to me? All right, Susie, grab the camera. Let's cut into this.
Yeah.
This is funny. See, the key, everybody, is that you go around just like so, and then it will all fall apart. I have to be very careful here not to cut into whatever it is that is inside of this. So check that out. Nice and easy. So we have the letter here. This comes from my buddy Mac. How you doing, good sir? One for me, one for Susie.
So what you're going to find is a blanket. They come from Ecuador. They're really lightweight, soft, warm. Ooh, they're really nice.
Wow. That is the softest material I think I've ever felt.
Yeah. Today is like the best viewer mail day because we just get to wear it all. Yeah, they're like alpaca.
Yeah. That is super, super nice.
Super nice. Wow.
Wow, man. Thank you so
Wow,
much, buddy.
Thank you. Yeah.
That makes me want to go camping so bad and try one of these out.
Car camping.
Yeah. We'll do that. We'll go car camping with these blankets and something else. Something top secret.
That we can't tell you about yet.
No. Can't tell you.
Anyway, thank you so much, Mac. That is very awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much, buddy.
Let's show the picture. He says that it's okay. This is like a picture of him in Iraq.
Wow.
That is Mac.
You are awesome, buddy.
Very awesome.
Yep, you are awesome. Again, thank you so much for all that you've done. It really is appreciated. So,
All right, we are down to the final package for this viewer mail episode.
and
So, are we going to be wearing that by the end?
no,
Okay.
not going to be wearing it. Now, I have to be honest. I tore into this like Christmas goose when it showed up. I really don't know why either, but I was just like, rip. So what we have here is a stove. So it says, please do a review on this. Been a fan for a while. Great reviews, very entertaining. And he sent us the come along for Moose.
Oh,
Way
great.
back in the day, right when I first got that truck.
So who is it?
Yep, this comes
Jason?
from Jason. That's what the stove looks like. I will set this up later. And yeah, I'll be happy to review this because this is actually a stove that I've looked at many times. And I've been curious about getting this in. I love little wood stoves like this. Yeah, this thing's not lightweight, but for a bushcraft trip where you don't really care about the weight because you're not carrying much, pretty cool.
Perfect. So thank you so much, Jason, for sending that in. That
You
is
are
really,
awesome.
really, really cool.
Thank you all so much for your support of the Outdoor Gear Review. It means so much to Susie and I. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Strength and honor. See you guys around. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks again.
Like with the channel here, going overtime, we try to show everybody like who we are and how we live. And we're pretty open about all that. These viewers do an amazing job of showing us how they are,
Yeah.
who they are.
Yeah.
And that's just so neat. It really
Very
is.
cool.
Yep.